Why do you think the United States government, or somebody within it, would help you run drugs into this country?
They use drug profits to buy guns?
He's in deep.
Hate to interrupt you, Shannon, but you're coming with us.
You just bought into a nightmare, my friend.
And now it's time to lay his cards on the table.
Full house.
Shannon's Deal, next on Sky Movies Plus.
Allied's big sale is now on with fantastic savings on carpets. Save £5 a square yard on this Cosset carpet. Allied's big sale, now on.
Birdseye challenged me to make France's famous chicken chasseur even better by making it a healthy option. Take the leanest chicken, no need for this, lemon, some onions, without butter, it's a low-fat sauce, and tomatoes. All cooked in a little wine. Now the real challenge for Birdseye healthy options, the locals. Birdseye healthy options, the best food made better for you.
This is the final call for passengers travelling to Anchorage, Alaska on flight
You look after
number
Mum.
NW0045.
Gina, let's go to the room.
Dear passengers,
Bye, Dad.
please proceed immediately. Gate number 21.
It's been great being home.
She didn't have to go.
You got your sister and a wacky friend to keep you company.
Not the same.
I've got to go.
Final call for...
There he is! Look! Look! Can you see?
Kleenex tissues, one of life's little comforts.
Wrigley's Spearmint Gum. Great to chew, even better to share.
Now don't you wait, oh, hesitate. Let's move before they raise the parking rate. Ow! All right.
Cool, refreshing. Wrigley's Spearmint Gum.
You know, someone said it's a dog-eat-dog world. I think it was a Chihuahua. But when things get bad,
Morgan, Alaska.
baby, I feel that DHL. Ain't no mountain high enough, ain't no valley deep enough, ain't no river wide enough.
Stone Loop. For documents and parcels worldwide, call DHL.
They even go to Tallahassee, lassie.
Runny nose, sore throat, coughs, sneezes, and the shivers. Help say good riddance to bad cold and flu symptoms with day nurse and night nurse from Beecham.
So I was on my way out to the post office when number 52, when her intended to be, walked in, cashing a postal order for the wedding conception. Oh, the stingy. So I thought as I was there, I'd get them something for the conjugals. Greetings card, a book of home help stamps. She's a stranger to Ajax. That Ethel Pinging that was comes in. Got one premium bond from the post office on won £40,000. She never. Now it's tufted shag in the front room, and she's on interchange her black and white licence to colour. Then young Gavin was in buying Sonia a first-day cover. Say she's into philately. She never. And he wanted a game licence. Game for anything, if you ask me.
Call Party Lines on 0898 21 21 21. Probably the most exciting place to chat and make new friends. Just dial 0898 21 21 21.
It seems I've upset the couple next door. There they were, admiring their new car. All I said was, for that money, you could have had a Rover 200. Well, before you could say 16-valve technology, it all went a bit frosty. Perhaps I shouldn't have brought up low-cost finance either.
The Rover 200 series from £9,957.
No, I won't give Ronnie Kudrillthwaite a kiss.
Go on.
No.
Go on.
No. Not even for a dairy slice. Oh, all right then.